What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, I got a foam cannon off of Amazon for like 15 bucks. We're gonna see if it really works. I don't have an expensive one, so I can't really compare them. And I'm gonna use Chemical Guys citrus clear wash or something like that. I don't remember exactly what it's called. We're gonna use it on the Titan, and oh, I finally tried a new monster. Not that you guys care, but if you've never tried this one, highly recommend it. It's pretty good. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, here is what I got off Amazon, and yes, of course it's made in China, like most Amazon stuff is. It's a foam cannon. I think I paid like 15 bucks for it or something like that. But it hooks up to a pressure washer, which I have one. I don't even know if it's gonna run because it's been a while since it's been used, but I'll mess with that and then we'll get into this. I'm going to use Chemical Guys citrus clear car wash, and we'll see how it works. What I'm going to do is I'll rinse the truck and then I'll foam it, let it sit for a while, and then rinse it again. If I don't like the results after doing that, we're going to foam it again, and then I will scrub it and then rinse it, and we'll see how it works. Not sure how well you guys will be able to read this, but it says to fill the 32-ounce soap solution bottle with water and add 1 ounce of this soap and then shake it. Well, I don't have anything to measure an ounce, and that says you're not going to be able to see that. It says 500 milliliters, and then there's a couple other slash marks on there, and the bottom one's like right here. So that'll be 100 milliliters. So I'm going to put 100 milliliters of the soap in there and then fill the rest with water. Alright, we got that filled up. Soap in it. I didn't shake it yet because I still got to mess with the pressure washer right here. Like I said, it hasn't been ran in probably 8 months. But it has fuel in it, fresh fuel and oil. Not fresh oil, but whatever. It should run. I got the pressure washer running. I had to mess with the carburetor, or the spark plug and the carburetor a little bit, but it's running. So I'm going to rinse the truck and then we'll hook the soap up. Okay, we got the truck rinsed off. Now I gotta add the soap onto the end of the wand, and then we'll get moving. I apologize for this one here dancing in front of the camera, but it is what it is. Yeah, we just hooked that soap bottle up to the end right here, and then we'll get moving. Alright, we covered the whole truck. Yeah, that cannon did pretty good. Good amount of foam on here. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it's pretty thick. Yeah, kind of looks cool. So I'll let this sit for, I don't know, a minute or two, and then we'll hose it off, and we'll see if it actually cleaned the truck without scrubbing or not, if it's still dirty or not clean enough to my likings, I will refoam it and then wipe it off and then rinse it. So stay tuned. You got it? You gonna wash the truck? You gonna wash it? There you go, look. Yay!
But I can't reach that.
Well, move closer. Yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna fire up the pressure washer and then I'll use it, okay? Alright, just turn it off. Alright, just hold it. Alright, we got the truck all rinsed off. It's wet, so it's gonna look good. But I'll show you guys that in a second. And it's cloudy, probably like 60 degrees out. So I'm just gonna let it air dry for a while, and then I'll show you guys once again. But yeah, this Citrus car wash by Chemical Guys. It smells freaking amazing. But it says it's hyper concentrated. I don't know if you guys can see that, plus I'm shaky. It's a hyper concentrated high foaming shampoo, and it's supposed to be high gloss and high lubricity. I think that's how you say that. But yeah, I mean the truck's like, I'll show you now. It's still wet, so it looks, I mean, it's wet, it looks good. Plus with this color, it's really hard to see dirt anyway, but I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but okay, that probably came out of like the mirror or something, but I mean around the tires and stuff, it looks good. There's still a little bit of dirt on it, but it's really not that bad. I should have probably, yeah, I probably should have wiped it, but it definitely took off 99% of the mud and stuff that was on it. Don't mind the rust bubble and the rust. I am working on getting that fixed soon, and that. But I mean, it looks good. Be able to definitely tell even more once it gets dry. But so far, it looks decent. A lot better than it was. I actually haven't washed this truck in probably 6 months. As you know, I hit a deer and I just got it fixed like a month or two ago, and I've been extremely busy with work, so I haven't driven it. It's literally just been sitting, so it was a little dusty and stuff from that. Plus I drove it a little bit in the wintertime, got a little bit muddy, but yeah, it looks decent. So I'm gonna let it dry and we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. Alright, it's been sitting for a while. It's still not 100% dry, but it's pretty dry. And yeah, it got most of the mud off. Of course, using a pressure washer probably helped, but as you can see, I mean, well, I don't even know if you can see that, But oh yeah, you can see that the dirt right in here. It didn't get all of it off, and you still see it. So I think next time I'm going to foam it and then wipe it, and then rinse it off after. But I mean, it looks good for what did I pay? Like $15 for that foam cannon on Amazon. But I definitely like it. Probably, like I said, I'll wipe it off next time. It'll get most of that dirt off, but the chemical guys, that citrus wash, it smells good, and it looks like it, does a decent job. The truck, if it's smooth, it feels clean, not like gritty like when it's dirty. And oh, here's that's still looking good. You can't really see my fingerprints in it too much anymore. And the windshield wiper arms look good too still. The run on the windshield wiper arm is on the top side, so you really can't see it too much. Actually, I don't even know if you guys will be able to see that at all. It's right here. But yeah, the truck looks good. I'm happy with it. Just didn't get all of it off like I thought it would. Of course, I might have used it wrong. Who knows? Also, could be the cheap cannon that I was using. But there's all the foam still. But while I was filming, hey, it's not hooked up. It's not hooked up. My youngest made a little tow truck. It's not hooked up. Look, he made a little tow truck, and he said he wanted to show YouTube. So as soon as he gets it hooked back up, I'll show you guys. Here's his little tow truck thing that he made. It's just the old Tonka crane, and he hooked it to his tricycle. He wanted to show you guys. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
What's that? What's that? Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. What is it? The next upload is going to be kind of all over the place, not too much, but it's all going to be of the truck. I have a bunch of things that I've been doing to it and that I'm going to do to it. Well, not really a bunch, but it's like a bunch of little stuff that I'm not going to make, like videos out of something that took me like 20 minutes to do or whatever, so it's going to be like 10-15 minutes like all my videos, but it's going to have quite a bit of stuff in it. We're gonna get into the lights, the halos, the fog lights, try to get them working. I have a light bar. Actually I have two, but I think I'm only putting one on right now. And then yeah, something else. It's gonna be a surprise, kind of. But yeah, so if you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check me out on Instagram at @justanother_car dude. I'll see you guys on the next one.